Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your PayPal account verified. Verifying your account is crucial for unlocking its full potential. It removes sending and withdrawal limits, giving you greater flexibility with your funds. A verified account also significantly enhances the security of your transactions, building trust for both you and those you transact with. Furthermore, it grants you access to advanced features, including higher transaction limits and certain merchant services, making your PayPal experience much more robust and reliable. To begin, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you will find the option to link a bank account. Select your bank from the provided list or manually enter your details. PayPal will then send 2 small deposits, typically less than $1 each, to your bank account within 2 to 3 business days. Once these appear, return to your PayPal account and confirm the exact amounts to complete this verification step. Another effective way to verify your account is by linking a debit or credit card. Head back to the Wallet section and choose Link a Card. Carefully enter your card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. PayPal will then make a temporary charge of $1.95 to your card, which will be fully refunded. Locate the unique 4-digit code on your card statement next to this charge and input it into your PayPal account to finalize the card verification. In some instances, PayPal may require additional identity verification to ensure the highest level of security. This could involve uploading clear images of a government-issued identification, such as a driver's license or proof of address. Simply follow the prompts within your account to securely submit these documents. Once all the necessary steps are completed and reviewed by PayPal, your account will be fully verified, allowing you to enjoy increased transaction limits and enhanced peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.